he goes without introduction. We did back in 2015. Horny Mike and I did a video because I pulled my MustangMedic truck up to his Horny bus. If you guys ever seen it, just Google Horny Mike bus, right?
I put his medic truck to shame. I'm not gonna lie.
He likes to think that, but personally, I think what's brilliant is to protect and restore instead of protect and serve. Come on, you got to give me that. That's a good line. It's a good line.
It's great marketing. Great marketing.
Hey, coming from you?
Great marketing.
I take that as a comment.
I love it.
What's going on? What's going on with the show? What do you want to tell the viewers? Anything? Do you have anything to say? You always have something to say.
Well, wait.
Wait?
Unfortunately, it takes a while to film this stuff, so,
Not me. I just shoot and it's done. It'll be up tomorrow.
Yeah, we're still filming. We're still doing it. We're coming back, but, it takes a long time to do this stuff, so just wait. But wait till you see what's coming. I can tell you this. I'm doing a Batmobile.
Oh, you're telling them? I thought that was top secret.
Well, I'm not going to show you the picture.
Oh, okay.
I'm not going to show you the rendering, but I am going to do... I'm sorry, it's not a Batmobile. It's a Horny mobile.
It does look like... Well, yeah.
Oh, it's going to be a very...
Can I mention the horn in the front?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, I just did.
Listen, it's got... Yeah.
He's got...
I'm going to ask a question you've already answered when you asked it.
I know. I did it. Boy, good thing you're not mad at me. It's got a horn in the front, so he doesn't want to rear end anybody.
It's got...
Oh, is that funny?
Depends on who it is.
You can use... Oh. Horny Mike, living up to his name out here in Pennsylvania.
Just roll right in.
Yeah.
But I mean, just think how cool it's going to be. I'm going to have a superhero horny car, and then when I do want to roll, and I know Ryan's going to he's going to run a roll with me. When he rolls with me, I'm like, it puts on the suit or it doesn't ride.
Oh,
it's going to be a very tiny suit.
A Silence of the Lambs reference right there, in case you guys didn't notice that.
It puts on the suit or it doesn't ride.
Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it. He's a great guy.
Anytime.
He talks to us little people, and he's still around. Look at him.
You're bigger than me. What are you talking about?
Well, you got bigger horns.
Well,
that's another story. Anyway.
I'm a hit. You want one?
Oh, thanks. Hey, I like it. Mike, where's the other one?
Here's what this is for. I had some problems recently.
We all have problems.
With people, people like to screw with me pretty bad. Anyway,
they grab your horns?
Three dudes, all the time. It was just strange. But three dudes were talking smack to me, and I finally got tired of it. And I said, "Well, come on, boys, let's go ahead and get this on." Let me tell you, they didn't come nowhere near me.
Thank you, Mike.
Absolutely.
Horny Mike here at the show. What is the name of the show? Does anybody know what the name of the show is? No. None of us know. What's the name of the show? Anybody? Are we supposed to know? Wait. Say it again.
It's the Mid-Atlantic Indoor Nationals.
We knew that.
That's for people that can't remember anything.
Yeah, we knew that. Thanks.
See you guys.
Woo! Horny Mike at the show. Good guy.